Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I was asked to do a video on one of my favorite cars in stock today and had to, of course, go with the obvious choice. We do right now have this beautiful 2024 Telluride EX all-wheel drive on the ground and available. And I've done a video on this before, but it's worth doing again. The Telluride has always been fantastic, and in its new iteration, refreshed for the 23 model year and newer, it's even better. And for 24, they've brought back these gorgeous amber running lights, very distinctive, with a new shape to the LED light signature, which just looks fantastic. Sharpened up the lines that you can see throughout the body, front and rear fascia. And the real exciting part is on the inside. So if we check this one out, you've got the gorgeous bone chalk gray leather interior, and the biggest update they made, which just came out fantastic, 12.3-inch center touchscreen display with all the capabilities you're used to, integrated navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto that takes over the whole screen, really looks tremendous. 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, updated driver assistance features, and of course, all the same fantastic ride quality, interior appointments, and reliability that you've come to expect of the Telluride. And this one is actually here. You can drive it and then decide if you want to buy it today, which is a really exciting proposition for these. Still not an easy car to find. And if you think this one might be a good fit for you, just shoot us a call or stop by today.